Hey everybody, how you doing? It's currently April 3rd, and as you know, I'm trying to make a couple videos to help some people out. So I would appreciate it if you could subscribe, like, share my post if you find it helpful, and if you have any tips, just message me. But the video I'm making today, I recently made a video about the e.m.a lines and the RSI indicator, and I made it on Webull because that's the platform that I use. But I do realize that some people don't have Webull, so some people might trade with Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, or whatever. And some places like TD Ameritrade, they have their indicators there. But if you trade on Robinhood has no indicators. So something you could do is go to your Play Store, and whether you got iPhone or Android, so you go to your Play Store and you look for an app called TradingView. Install the app, download and install the app. Once it is installed, you open it up, and let me delete all of this to show you fully how to do it, right? Okay, so once it is installed, you make your watch list. So I'm going to take you through how to set up a e.m.a indicator on TradingView, and also how to set up alerts. When you have the TradingView, they do have a premium membership where you could set up unlimited alerts, but with the regular free download, you could only do 3 alerts. Okay, so let's just go with UVXY. So you're going to want to set up an indicator. So you go up to the top and you find the slot that says indicators. You click on it and you type in e.m.a. The first one is an exponential moving average, and each time you click it, you would have to click this 3 times because you're going to want e.m.a line for 3 different moving averages. So you click it once, you click it twice, and booyah, 3 times, right? After that, you go back. Now you have to set up the length of these e.m.as. So for the first one, I would like it to be, you would click on, as you see over here, the e.m.as. You would click on the first one, click on the cog, and I want to make this one 5. After you hit 5, I like to go to style so that I could make the thickness, as you look at the bottom, the brightest, right? With my Webull, I have certain colors for certain lines, so I like to have my TradingView colors match the same ones. So for my 5 is orange on Webull, so I'm gonna make it orange here. I'm gonna make it thick so I can see it clearly. For the second one, I'm gonna make this one length 10. I'm going to styles, and I believe I'm just gonna go to my Webull real quick to make sure. Yellow, purple. Okay, my 10 is yellow. I'll make this one yellow, make it the very thickest, and then for the last one, this one, I have it as 20. I explained in my previous video why I have it that way, so you could go back and watch it. It's a short video, so you could learn a lot very quickly. And I'm gonna make this one purple, very thick, right? So as I said, if you probably watched my other video, so you know how to read the e.m.a lines. The thing I do like about TradingView that isn't available to you on Webull is the ability to set alerts for the e.m.a lines. On Webull, you can't do that. Okay, so what I do is I explain that when the 5 crosses the 10 and the 20 is extremely bullish. So if you have a 9-to-5 job and you're working and you don't have the ability to sit and just watch a stock screen all the time, what you could do is go to alert, click on it, condition where say it at the top. You want to click on that and make the e.m.a 5 close. Click on that, crossing, because you want to know when it's crossing up, Or if you have a position in on that stock and you want to know when's a good time to sell, you could put it to crossing down, because as soon as it start crossing down, you want to sell. When it start crossing up, you want to buy. So if you're looking to buy your position, you click on crossing up. And then value, you put 10, right? So I like to do it when it's just bullish. When it's extremely bullish, then I just watch it, so I'm gonna run through it again. You make this e.m.a. 5 crossing up, because you want to know when is a good time to buy, and crossing up on the e.m.a. 10 line. Then you create that alert. So what you basically just did, see, I ran out of alerts, but let's just act like I didn't. So what you basically just did was you made it so that when the orange line crosses in a up direction, the yellow line, you will be alerted and say, look, buy the stock. Example, if you look right here, you would have been alerted right here when it was 60.18 that it's time to buy the stock, right? And you could have bought it, and once you buy it, you could delete that alert and make a new alert for when it crosses down. So then you would have been alerted again at 60.88 and said, yo, it's time to sell the stock. Again, 60.18, 60.88. You'd have had 100 shares. You could have made a quick $88 or $70, whatever, and then sold it. So that's why it's important to use e.m.a. lines, and that's how you use it on TradingView or TraderView if you do not have Webull or a trading brokerage that offers you indicators. And that is also how you set an alert. Like I said, Webull don't have the ability to do this type of alert, so I still use TradingView just to set an alert to let me know what's going on, and then I go on Webull and execute my trades. Okay, hope that was helpful. Share my posts, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, write it in the comment or contact me. I left some of my information down in the description. And enjoy your day. Thank you.